This is a jewellery advent calendar that I picked up from the Amazon team. I think it's one of 4 different styles that they do, and I think I went just for the plainer one, but I think there's different colours and things as well. But let's get it opened up and see what we get in our advent. Now it does have a little thing on it to slide to open, so we'll very carefully do that. And here we go, lovely. Being a jewellery one, it is going to be a little smaller, which is absolutely fine, which is going to be lovely. It did also come with a little bit of instructions about how to construct the bracelet. I think from my memory, I didn't look at it too hard. It is charms and things from a bracelet, which is going to be really lovely to build throughout the month. Let's get day one open. So they're very petite. It's quite nice because it's also sealed up as well with a bit of plastic, so if you are concerned about things falling out, I think it's going to be pretty good. It's going to be pretty secure. And it looks like it is the base for the bracelet. This is really nice. It's like snake style, so it's really smooth. It's no like links in it, which I prefer. I don't like the links, you know, with this all linked. I prefer a nice smooth bracelet. I'm not going to mention the brand beginning with P that's on the, it's just a little more expensive. This is a very similar style. So this is going to be your base bracelet for all your charms. Let's carry on to day 2. There we go, day 2. It looks like they're actually in order. I kind of prefer that. I find the pressure of finding the doors a little overwhelming. But again, day 2, it's got a seal on it. And day 2 has this really pretty pendant necklace with this really nice stone in the middle of it. Obviously, this is a value jewellery advent. It's not going to be gold and silver, but costume jewellery, that's real pretty. I like that. And the chain is a decent length, and it also has the adjusters there for length if you want a bit longer. But yeah, I think that's really pretty. Wonderful. What a lovely day 2 gift. Day 3, I think we've got our first charm. It's like a heart with like a little pattern in it, like feathers maybe. So this is going to be one we're going to put on our bracelet. We'll do that at the end. Day 4. I do wonder if there's going to be earrings and things in here, because I didn't look. We've got another little one bead for our necklace. This reminds me of the store that begins with P, which makes these kind of bracelet charms. But yeah, lovely, like a filigree style. And little hearts, lovely. Day 5 is if you can see that, is a butterfly, really pretty. Day 6 is a little crown. How cute is that? I have to say the quality is pretty decent, I have to say. This one kind of looks like a 4-leaf clover, or maybe some leaves. But yeah, pretty cute. I mean, who would this gift be for? I think anyone who likes jewellery, really. I don't think it's particularly, so far, particularly like for kids. I think definitely teens. I think a kid would like it, but a teen, a tween, a late, and any sort of one really. There we have got the 4-leaf clover. I like the fact it's a slightly different like size chart. It's a bit more of a dangler, so you can space them out. There's that little diamond teeth in there as well. As a older lady, I like it. I think it's fun. You know, it is costume jewellery, so it has its place, and I still like costume jewellery. I think it's great. Now we're changing the colour, and we've got that rose gold again that matches the band. It is a nice little heart. We've got a heart with a bow in it. It's kind of like a bit of a white enamel around it as well. Really cute. And I wonder if you put them on in order, it'd be a specific pattern. But you can do what you like. And we've got a little swan. I'm not sure if you can see that there. She's got her head bowed a little bit. But yeah, cute. Well, now we've got a silver version, and this one's got the lobster clasp as well, but there's no extender. That's cool. So now you can mix and match your different tones. I'm really liking this. Day 13. This is pretty. We've got a heart padlock there, and then an extra charm there, and then a mini heart as well. So that's like 3 in 1. That's really cute and delicate. I like that. Day 14. We've got a ring. Yes, 1,000 times yes. And that is really matchy to the necklace. That's lovely. So there's the necklace style pendant, and it is really similar. So that nice square. Oh, and it has a hollow back to help reflect the light. Let's see. I've got quite big hands. That's going to fit on there. Won't go in my middle one, but I have got very big hands for a lady. So this will probably fit the average person's the middle finger. How cute is that? For costume jewellery, that's real pretty. Day 15, we've got a pair of earrings. The stones are clear, but they've got a slightly blue hue, which is kind of matches the pendant, has a slightly blue hue as well. Only a slight one, but yeah, lovely. They're really delicate looking. Going to be very cute. I like the fact there's now a mixture of jewellery. I wasn't quite sure because I didn't really look at the listing too hard if it's all going to be just bracelet, but I'm glad there's a mixture. We've got another pair of earrings here. This one's got the rose gold instead, and again another stone, but this is more square, and I like it. It's pretty. This will match your rose gold bracelet really nicely. This is on the 16th, so by this point, you're thinking about your parties, you're thinking about your new year, what items you're going to be wearing on which day. You're going to wear the silver on Christmas Day, the rose gold on New Year's. Let's see. Day 17, and it's another swan, very cute. Day 18, and it's another ring, but it is backless, so I wonder if it's actually a toe ring. I will check. But you haven't got to be, you can do anything like, you can wear it like that on your finger there. And it has like some sort of stones on there and alternates. But yeah, it feels really nice. Like that. Again, it is costume jewellery. You can stack it. But I think this might be a toe ring, which is kind of cute. We're getting into Christmas week now, day 19, and we've got a very small pair of studs. They are very small and very delicate. If I've only got the one set of piercings, but if you had multiples, this would be a really nice one to have going up the side. These are in the rose gold. Another charm, and it kind of goes around, little hearts that go around and round. I like that one. There's a little bit of like a bling in the middle of each heart. Really cute. Day 21, we've got another silver one on there. Really nice. Kind of like, looks like a balloon. It's really cute. Day 22, we've got that heart again going round and round. Super lovely. I like that one. Christmas Eve, 23. We've got another pair of earrings there. Just a nice bold stone, but it's quite plain. And Christmas Eve itself, what can it be? Ooh, looks like another necklace. They're put it in a little bag, which is good so it doesn't get tangled. Let's open it up. I like that. Matches the earrings from earlier, I think. Yeah, that matches the earrings from earlier. How pretty is that? It's got that unusual stone. You've got like a little bit of a style there. You've got your nice length chain in the rose gold. How pretty. That's lovely. Let's put the bracelets together. So we've opened all the days. We've built our bracelets as well. In this box, you'll get 2 rings, 4 sets of earrings. You get 2 full charm bracelets, one in the silver, one in the rose gold. 2 really pretty necklaces as well. Do I think this is a great advent calendar? I absolutely do. It's one of 4. I'm really tempted to get the other 3 just for myself. I think it's really fab. The quality is really nice. You get a really good selection. The style is really pleasing. No one will be upset by these jewelry. These are really nice, all-round pleasing jewelry pieces. I think they're really great. I think this is such really good value for money. I don't know how they've done it, but yeah, fun experience, nice jewelry, really pleasant for everyone, really good quality. It is costume jewelry, but it is really pretty. And overall, I think it's a really great experience and I really do recommend it.